Hello friend, welcome back to Pankaj Vit's YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very interesting topic, and we had already talked for this topic in the past, and the topic is ChatGPT and OpenAI. For this, already I have made the video which I have provided in the description. Also, you can go and find out what we discussed last time. So last time, the ChatGPT and the OpenAI company which were going for the funding round, they were having the round investing around $6.5 billion from the big tech companies. So that's what we discussed at that time. At that time, we also discussed there are two things like company restructure policy, and the second was the return on cap returns, which we call as cap return. So the two things I'm going to repeat again, and after that I'm going to tell you what happened in the recent recent days. So there was the news like they are moving with a couple of things, so I'm going to tell about those things. Before that, I will tell you what is the company restructure. So the company restructure policy which OpenAI had, like they wanted to keep their mission, like they wanted to work on the artificial intelligence which can surpass the human capability, but at the same time they wanted to make sure it is working for the safety of humanity. And the other thing, they have the return on caps, which we call as a cap return. So whenever there is some investor is investing in their company, they will have an only limited number of returns. Like for example, if someone is putting 1 million, they can have maximum 100 million return only, not more than. Even though companies skyrocketing, if their company is moving more and more ahead, they will have a limited number of returns. So these were the two things as the OpenAI were having earlier, and the OpenAI is the parent company of ChatGPT, which we talked earlier also in my last video. So in recent news, we got to know that OpenAI is moving with their restructure policy and the cap returns. It means like once they have this funding, which is $6.4 billion with the valuation of $150 billion of the OpenAI company. And once they are moving with this new funding, which is $6.5 billion, and there is a chance they can move away with their restructure policy, and also they are going to move the cap returns. It means like whoever is putting more money or investing in their OpenAI company, they are going to have the unlimited returns. Will be no cap. And earlier they had some kind of policy to return only the fixed amount, but now they will not have any policy to return the limited amount. So this is the big thing. And the other thing also, it is very important, they had the big tech giant company as an investor like Apple, Microsoft and Nvidia and other like ventures company who were planning to invest in that. But as per the news we have that they are going to moving with the OpenAI funding, and they are going to remove the restructure policy, and they are going to also remove the cap returns policy. So these are the two big things. And but what happen if they move this restructure policy and the cap return? So probably this company are going to work for the for-profit corporation. Means they will definitely be working in the OpenAI side or artificial intelligence side. But the thing is that this company are going to work for their own profit, own returns, because some tech giants are putting more money or investing in more in this company. Probably they will expect more returns. So that is the thing, they are going to play with their mission earlier, which they had. They will work only for the safety of the humanity and the artificial intelligence. But now it looks like they are compromising with their mission, and they are moving ahead with this. Because why we are discussing this? Because today's this decision is going to definitely impact about tomorrow's, because the AI, you can do anything. It can impact a lot of people, but this tech giant company for their own return can go up to any limit. It's the big news for us, and that's what we wanted to share with you. And the company CEO is Altman, which you know already, and he is supposed to expect like number of equity. The figures has not been decided yet or public yet. So the thing is, he's going to get some equity in his company. Earlier, he did not take any equity because he wanted to have the impartial director in his company. So this is what we have in our today's news for the OpenAI and ChatGPT. I hope you like the video. Please hit the like and subscribe button and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.